Good evening, students. Spotlight Grammar, chapter number 3, Pronouns. Pronouns are the words used in place of nouns. Pronouns have to agree with the nouns they have replaced in number as well as gender. Examples: I, we, you, he, she, his, her, their, them, myself, who, these, etc. Kinds of pronouns. There are different kinds of pronouns as shown in this diagram. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, emphatic pronouns. Reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, distributive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, indefinite pronouns. अब हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. सी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट द प्रोनाउंस इन दीज सेंटेंसेस एज सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव. सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? जो एक्शन करता है, और ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? जिस पर एक्शन होता है. ठीक है. वी विल जॉइन यू एट द पार्टी टुमारो. तो वी क्या हुआ? सब्जेक्टिव. यू ऑब्जेक्टिव. कैन यू हेल्प अस विद आवर होमवर्क? यू क्या हुआ मेरे? सब्जेक्टिव. एंड अस हुआ इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव. I saw him at the park yesterday. I subjective, him objective. He looked at me and smiled. He is subjective and me is objective. The teacher asked if he had completed his assignment. He subjective. You are an intelligent person. You subjective. It was a beautiful day. It subjective. They enjoyed at the party. They सब्जेक्टिव. इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है. अभी देखो, ये हमारे होते हैं पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. आर दोज प्रोनाउंस विच शो पोजेशन और ऑनरशिप. माइन, आर्स, योर्स, हिज, हर्स, इट्स, देयर्स, एट्सेट्रा. रीड द टेबल ऑफ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस एंड देयर कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. ठीक है. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? आई, यू, ही, शी, इट, वी, दे. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन में कैसे चेंज करते हैं पर्सनल को? आई का क्या हो जाएगा? माइन, यू का योर्स, ही का हिज, शी का हर्स, इट का इट्स, वी, आर्स, दे, देयर्स. ठीक है. अंडरलाइन द पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस इन दीज सेंटेंसेस. इसमें हमें पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन को अंडरलाइन करना है. देयर मदर गेट्स अलॉन्ग वेल विद योर्स. तो योर्स हमारा क्या हुआ? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. We shall finally have what is rightfully ours. तो ours क्या हुआ हमारा? possessive pronoun. The money was really theirs for the taking. Theirs is possessive pronoun. That blue water bottle is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. The sweater lying on the bed is his. His हमारा क्या हुआ? possessive pronoun. The blueberry muffin is hers. Hers is also possessive nouns. Is this pen yours or mine? Mine is possessive pronoun. The fault is entirely theirs, not ours. तो ours क्या हुआ हमारा? possessive pronoun. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं. अब इसमें बोला है fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. इसमें हमें correct pronoun fill करना है. ठीक है. This is my book. Dash belongs to me. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? It belongs to me. Dash is a beautiful sunset over the mountains. There is a beautiful sunset over the mountains. I can't find my keys. Have you seen them? Look at the bird over there. It is building a nest. These are my friends. They have been with me since childhood. He forgot his umbrella at home. He will need it when it rains. I know these students very well. They are all very hardworking. This is your pen, isn't it? It is on the table. Next, D. Write R against reflexive pronoun and E against emphatic pronouns in these sentences. Reflexive pronoun को हम किससे करेंगे? R से. emphatic pronouns को E के. I myself will go there. तो myself क्या हुआ हमारा इसमें? emphatic. ठीक है. Next is he cooked the meals himself. himself क्या हुआ हमारा? emphatic. Next, she herself said so. herself हमारा क्या हुआ? emphatic. The wall itself fell. emphatic. Why don't you do it yourself? reflexive. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. reflexive. They themselves were present there. emphatic. You yourself are to blame for this emphatic. Okay. Now the last exercise in this chapter. Choose the correct pronoun from the options to complete these sentences. ठीक है. अब ये बोला हुआ है द बॉय डैश हु वॉन द रेस इज़ माई कज़न. तो इसमें आपको ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं हु, whom, whose, which. तो ये क्या आएगा द बॉय हु वॉन द रेस इज़ माई कज़न. दिस इज़ द केक डैश माई मदर बेक्ड. हु, whom, whose, which. तो क्या आएगा हमारा which. दिस इज़ द केक विच माई मदर बेक्ड. द कार which keys were lost has been found. She is a student who received the scholarship. Which book did you borrow from the library? They found the dog which had run away. Which of these pens belongs to you? Either of the dresses can be worn for the occasion. ये चैप्टर हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ. लास्ट 2 एक्सरसाइज मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी पहले अपलोड कर दी हैं. चैप्टर 4 हम कल अपलोड करेंगे. थैंक यू गाइज. प्लीज़ शेयर एंड लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब चैनल.